Good morning, everybody. It is currently 6:36 a.m. Central Time on December 7th, and this is your, we'll say it, the plan of attack. Kind of digging that title. But as of right now, what I'm looking at is I am leaning bearishly again for the day, simply because I'm looking at this overall rising wedge breakdown to continue. So with that being said, let's talk about some things here. Like I mentioned in the prior videos or the prior plan of attacks, simply in a larger channel going lower, we've rallied to the top and we formed this rising wedge, and then now we're spilling over. The way I look at this is really just think of it as like a cup of water being filled up, and eventually it gets to the highs, and then it usually just pours out. Now, I'm not saying we're going to come all the way back down to here, but as of right now, the path is lower. What's kind of frustrating is I left an order out overnight to get filled short some ES futures contracts at 39.55. And it was so close, but it didn't get filled, which is kind of frustrating. Could have been a wake up to being up several points in the green, but it's all good. It happens. All right, so now if my um, look at that, so close to getting filled overnight and just quite didn't get it. Oh well, we'll look for the next one. All right, so what is the plan of attack for today's ES futures day trading, 0 DC expiration SPX or ES futures options, depending if you need to get around the PDT rule? What is the plan for today? So the plan today is, once again, short the rally. That's what I'm looking at doing. I don't anticipate, and quite honestly, I don't think I am going to take it to the upside, even if a setup does present itself, just because simply I have seen these wedge patterns or rising wedge patterns have such a big flush, and at the moment the path of least resistance is to the downside, so therefore I am not going to swim upstream. I'm going to go with stream. And if we look at it from a larger perspective, let's go from top down. Over here in the 30-minute chart, you can see how we're moving lower. We got our sell arrow here. We cleared this voodoo snow line. The 30-minute squeeze is indeed firing short. I did look earlier. There is actually an hourly squeeze that is building up at the moment as well. That is to the downside. I could actually show that real quick. Go here. That's a 15-minute chart. Let's look at that hourly time frame. So ideally, how I would like to look at this. Oops. Whoa. All right, so we have a mid compression squeeze with bearish momentum. I honestly, but we're all down at third ATR on the hourly time frame, right? That's what that Keltner channel was showing on the quick hits chart. So we're down here. The question is, do we rally and then the squeeze momentum continue lower? Like I said, the 30-minute squeeze is indeed firing, but we are extended. We're not at an entry point. If you're unaware of how I trade this, just a quick recap. I either take it from here to up here, or from here down, or vice versa. Okay, 3 points of entry. So really, it's really simple. The hourly ATRs are indeed moving lower. You see in the channel lower, which is at the lower end. So what's the plan, Cody? What's the plan? Well, this is my plan. I would like it to rally up to either the 30-minute 21 EMA and VWAP, which is that green line. This black line is the 15-minute 21 EMA. When momentum gets high in the market, when things are moving fast, it typically will revert just to the 15-minute versus the 30-minute. So that is what I will look for to happen as well. So basically anywhere between 39.40 and 39.35, I would like to see a rally up to the zone, see sell arrows, and then do a call credit spread, taking it down to any measure you wish to do, in the money, out of the money, drama-free, short futures contracts, excuse me, whatever you wish to do. But that is the plan today. I hope everyone has an awesome day. If you found this helpful, go ahead and share this with your friends, family, loved ones, anyone that you think may benefit from it. Or heck, even share it on your social media platforms as well. Let's get this plan of attack out there. All right, everyone have an awesome day, and I will see you in the small account mastery and some of the options room later today. Take care, everybody.